Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use OneXBet birthday promo code. This is really easy. Before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional OneXBet account, and to do so you have to click on register. Next on full. Here on full you enter all your information and then you scroll down until you see promo code. On promo code you just have to enter the promo code UTV. By using this promo code you get 300% bonus. So if you top up your account with $50, you get $150. All you're gonna do on OneXBet is to click on your bet slip section. Here you're going to find out your bet slip with all your accumulators. So you're just going to click on popular and add some more bets on it that you can play. So here you can add this bet, you can go live, you can go with normal match. So we can find out that Real Madrid is playing. So you can just click on Real Madrid and play the bet on it. And you can just add it to the bet slip. Now all you're going to do is to click on bet slip, and here you're going to find out your accumulator. So next you're just going to scroll up like this to make that this menu should completely appear. This is the full menu of your bet slip option. So here you're going to see a bet section, and you're going to click next on the promo section. So you're going to click on promo section, and here your birthday promo code, you're just going to enter it here. This will give you the opportunity to have a free bet, so you can place a bet directly by entering this birthday promo code here. And if your bet win, you're going to benefit of all the winnings directly to your main account using this birthday promo code section. And it's as simple as that.